Let us learn the action of metals with water. Activity 3.10. Collect the samples of the same metals as in activity 3.9. Put small pieces of the samples separately in beakers half filled with cold water. Which metals reacted with cold water? Arrange them in the increasing order of their reactivity with cold water. Did any metal produce fire on water? Does any metal start floating after some time? Put the metals that did not react with cold water in beakers half filled with hot water. For the metals that did not react with hot water, arrange the apparatus as shown in figure 3.3 and observe their reaction with steam. Which metals did not react even with steam? Arrange the metals in the decreasing order of reactivity with water. Metals that reacted with cold water are sodium, potassium and calcium. Metals that produced fire, sodium and potassium. Metals that started floating after some time, calcium and magnesium. Metals that reacted with hot water, magnesium. Metals that reacted with steam, aluminium, zinc and iron. Metals that did not react with steam also, lead, copper, silver and gold. Reactivity of metals K greater than Na, Ca, Mg, Al, Zn, Fe, Cu, Ag. They are in the decreasing order. Metals react with water and produce a metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxides that are soluble in water dissolve in it to further form metal hydroxide. But all metals do not react with water. General equation: metal plus water gives metal oxide plus hydrogen. Metal oxide plus water gives metal hydroxide. Metals like potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. In case of sodium and potassium, the reaction is so violent and exothermic that the evolved hydrogen immediately catches fire. 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2 plus heat energy. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2 plus heat energy. Indicate the physical state. The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Equation for the reaction is Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH twice plus H2. Calcium starts floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. Magnesium does not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. It also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. Metals like aluminium, iron and zinc do not react either with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form the metal oxide and hydrogen. Equation for the reaction: 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus 3H2. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. You indicate the physical state whenever you are writing the equation. Metals such as lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with water at all. Next one, the reaction of metals with acids. Already in the chapter 2 we have learned that when a metal reacts with acid, there is a formation of salt with the evolution of hydrogen gas. But do all metal reacts in the same manner? Let us find out by an activity 3.1. For that, you collect the samples of the same metals as in activity 3.9 except sodium and potassium. Because sodium and potassium are very reactive, they react vigorously even with cold water. Put the samples separately in test tubes containing dilute hydrochloric acid. Suspend thermometers in the test tubes so that their bulbs are dipped in the acid. Observe the rate of formation of bubbles carefully. Which metals reacted vigorously with dilute hydrochloric acid? With which metal did you record the highest temperature? Arrange the metals in the decreasing order of reactivity with dilute acids. Look at the table. This shows the result of activity 3.11. The metal reaction with HCl, equation for the reaction and the rate of reaction. Mg. First, magnesium when reacts with dilute HCl, it gives MgCl2 plus H2. Equation Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. It is very fast. Al when reacts with dilute HCl, 2Al plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2. The reaction is fast. Zn when reacts with dilute HCl, Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. The rate of the reaction fast. Fe when reacts with dilute HCl, Fe plus 2HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2. The reaction is slow. Copper Cu when reacts with dilute HCl, no reaction.